Welcome back! Thank you for clicking in my video. Let's make a tomato sauce tofu dish for the new year. It means blessing and health. I hope you will like it. Tofu symbolizes blessing and health. Its homonym in blessings. Wealth is an expression of the working people's wish for good health, happiness, and prosperity in the coming year. Ingredients: traditional tofu, chopped garlic, onion. Remove tofu from casing, wash and cut into small pieces. Chopped ginger. Peel and cut onion into small pieces. Stir-fry onion and ginger. Add chopped garlic and stir-fry. Add 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. If you have chili sauce, add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Otherwise, a teaspoon of curry powder will also work. Add half bowl water. Add tofu once sauce is boiled. Add coconut milk or coffee mate. Smells so good. Plate tofu. Garnish with onion green. Tender soft tofu tastes so good and appetizing with tomato sauce. I learned this recipe from the internet. After trying it, I personally think that it is healthier to eat it plain without adding coffee mate or coconut milk. The meaning of eating tofu during the Spring Festival. If it is tofu balls, it means that blessings will roll in like balls. And eating tofu during the Spring Festival is to pray for a rich, prosperous, and happy life in the coming year. The traditional saying of the origin of the custom of eating tofu during the Spring Festival is on the 25th day of the 12th lunar month, grind the mill to make tofu. In the northern customs, on the 25th day of the 12th lunar month, people have to grind the mill to make tofu. In some places, there is also the custom of eating tofu dregs. Moreover, people hope that their families will be well off, with no worries about food and drink, and have surpluses every year. That is, they will be well off. Tofu represents the meaning of jade food in the well-off life. Because jade is white and tofu is also white, they are very similar, so every family will grind beans to make tofu for the new year. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.